All right, let's start this logo challenge. Click on the logo. Now, let's open it up. Let's click on elements. I want to look for a cloud because I'm going to call this Dream Studios. So I'm thinking cloud. I like this one here at the top, but let's keep looking for clouds. Only got 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5-minute logo challenge. Looking for a cloud. Looking for a cloud. Don't see too many that I like. So let me choose this one here at the top. Click. Now it's in white. We got to change that color. Let's change it to black. Let's change it to blue. Yeah, that looks dreamy. I like that. All right, now gonna go to text. Click that body text. We're gonna change it to Dream Studios. I don't know if there's a Dream Studios that exists already, but this is what we're using today. All right. Dream Studios, creating a logo. Let's change that font. Want to look for something dreamy. Looking for something dreamy. No. Let's keep looking. Looking for something dreamy. Let's try this. That's not too bad. Let's look for something else. Let's keep looking. 5 minutes, 5-minute challenge. Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos, more challenges. Let's go. I like this one. All right, let's go with this. All right, so let's just make this a little bit bigger. Make it bigger. Then we're going to move it over a bit. Want to change some stuff. Ooh, time is against us. Let's make this cloud bigger. All right. I don't like where this dream text is, but think we might leave it here for now and then change that. I think I want to go to let's see what I'm going to change. I want a circle, so let's type circle in this box here because I want to put those little dreamy circles. So let's see, a little animation. Click on this circle. I like that. Okay, let's make these smaller, and we'll move it over here, and I want to make like 2 more of those because I want 3 little circles. So yeah, let's do that. Let's push one up there. Let's push the other one here. Push it up there. Kind of a 1, 2, 3. 5 minutes. Gotta do this. All right, guys, we're making a simple logo today. Simple logo challenge. 5-minute logo challenge. Make that a little bit smaller. Okay. Looking more like it. Let's just line that up a little bit. I mean, it doesn't have to be even, but just force of habit. So, all right. That looks cute. So now I think we're going to go back to this text here. Might change that around. Might change the color. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, time is running out. I want to change the color to yellow maybe. Let's play around with the colors a little bit. Play around with the shade. Don't like that. Maybe. Definitely, I don't want to keep it black. I think I kind of like that yellow. Yeah, I kind of like the yellow. I like that. Let's move that over. I think I'm going to put the studio underneath the word dream. Yes. So let's move that up a bit. Yes, logo. Yes. Oops. Blooper. I think we're going to move this closer together. No, not the letters. Come on, work with me now. Right. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, move that down a bit. Ooh, I like that. Now let's kind of separate those letters just a little bit. Gonna move those letters over just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. Letter spacing. Yes, move that up a little bit. Yeah, it's the logo for me. Like that. Yeah, and there we have it, guys. Ooh, our 5-minute logo. Let's group all of this together so it stays in place. Gotta group that together. I like how that looks. Yeah. There we have it, guys. Fruit. Oh yeah. And we are done. There goes our logo. Oops, move that down. There we have it, guys. 5-minute logo challenge. One shot. Finito. Booyah. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos.